Ay, paminta. Dali, 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 dali. Ah. Ligo ka na. Bakit orange yung itlog? Ang cute.
Yung dapat merong ano dito
Hmm?
para maluto.
Shrink. Okay lang kahit basag.
Okay lang.
Ha? Galing.
Hello.
Po. Aba. Pakarinig ko stripes. Inisip ko muna.
Hindi.
Ay.
Yun.
This one. Thank you. I love you.
Ay, buti na lang hindi na siya.
Thank you. Thank you. Ten. Ano ate ko na? Get it. There you go. Somebody's feeling it. Ten. Oh. No. You're awful. I drank water this morning. Warm water. It's so sad.
Where do they do that in what country? They just drink hot water?
Kain ka na.
In Asia. Country in Asia. If you ask for water, they'll give you hot water. Like boiling water.
There's so many countries in Asia.
But there's one that does that all the time. Is it
It's
China?
usually tea.
No, just hot water. Is that Korea or China? Or Japan?
Not us.
It's China. I don't China know. Cora,
Yeah.
what country is it in Asia that if you ask for water, they'll give you boiling water, like hot water? Is it China?
None of the countries.
No, I'm sure.
Maybe it was winter.
No,
It's probably Europe. They give you warm soda.
no. Yeah, that's because the fridge broke now. The fridge
Huh?
is break now.
Who's in the shower?
That's mine.
The man with panther slippers.
Bawal ang chips. No seed.
No, kuya mo ko.
He's out.
Ati Maymay, ikaw na!
Maymay and Edward.
Mine na.
Bayward. Shower. I was waiting for a call that never came. Edward.
gonna not die.
Oh, don't make that. That irritates me. There's no banana in there. You don't want that. That one's just a rinse. Gusto mo na yung puwet? Kisses, when did you start eating the butt of the bread?
Oh,
Kailan mo?
just now.
Ha?
Sabi ni Kuya Nonong masarap daw.
Do you like it?
I'll try.
Today's your first time?
Opo. Bakit?
Tanong lang. Never kitang nakita.
You don't eat it?
I will let this soak a bit.
Did we get rice from the storage room?
Yeah, I think they're just cooking it. I'm not sure.
Yeah, put it on this liquid.
Edward, sleepy ka pa?
Make champorado.
Yeah.
Because I slept through, you know, I didn't even notice when you came in.